So once you open up Vectr, this is what you see right here. And this is the interface of Vectr. On the left hand side, you can access out all of the tools right here. Like there's the home section right here. There's the pages section, which allows you to manage out multiple pages in Vectr project right here. Then you got layer options where you can arrange out the layers over here, and then you can access AI features over here. But for this, you do need a premium account with credits. And then there's element section right here where you can access out different elements that you can choose in your choose and apply in your project. And over here, there's images section right here where you can search for images. Then you got shapes where you can access out different shapes for your project. And there's the pen tool, which allows you to draw out things manually. Then you have pencil tool right here, which allows you to draw things, and there's text tool, which allows you to type out different text. There's the upload image section right here, which allows you to upload out contents, and there's setting right here, which allows you to change around the software behavior. Over here, there's snapping right here. As you can see right here, there's export option, new file option right here, comments, help, and then your profile setting right here. Then you got undo and redo over here, and then you got zoom in and zoom out over here just like this, and there's auto fit over here. And you can also go around and close and open out this section, as you can see right here just like this. And this is the overall Vectr interface that you will be using in order to create and edit different projects. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.